This video tutorial I will explain what is an API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Here you can see software application which is developed using Java. Here you can see software application which is developed using .NET. And using API, these two different applications or services can talk to each other and work together. Imagine you are in the restaurant and you want to order some food. The menu acts as a interface between you and the kitchen, and the menu lists all the available dishes, their descriptions and prices. You select the dishes you want and communicate your choices to the waiter, and the waiter relays your order to the kitchen. The kitchen then prepares the food according to your specifications and gives it back to the waiter, and the waiter delivers the order to your table. In this analogy, the menu is like a API. It provides a set of options with clear descriptions and details. And you as the user interact with the API by making choices based on your needs. In the digital world, API acts as a menu for software applications. API defines set of rules and protocols that allow different software systems to communicate with each other. API specifies the available functions, data formats, and methods that can be used to interact with particular service or application. Let's say you are using a weather app on your smartphone. The app needs to fetch weather data from remote server to provide you with accurate information. The app developer doesn't have to build the entire weather database themselves. Instead, the app developer can use Weather API provided by Weather Service. The API defines how the app can request weather data, what format the data will be, and how to interpret the data. So, in simple terms, API is like a bridge that enables different software applications to work together and allowing software application to exchange information and perform specific tasks. And API helps developers to save time and effort by providing pre-built functionalities and resources that they can integrate into their own applications. Just like restaurant menu provides convenient way to order food without having to cook it yourself. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.